Understanding It's Throbbing, a guide for English learners. Hello everyone. Today, we're diving into a common English phrase, it's throbbing. You might have heard it in conversations or read it in books. In this video, we'll explore what this phrase means, how to use it correctly, and some examples to help you understand it better. Let's get started and unlock the meaning of it's throbbing in English. It's throbbing refers to a specific sensation often associated with pain. Throbbing is a type of pain that is characterized by a regular, pulsating, and rhythmic sensation. It's often used to describe a physical feeling, particularly in relation to headaches, injuries, or other kinds of bodily discomfort. The key aspect of this phrase is its emphasis on the repetitive and pulsating nature of the sensation. This phrase is typically used in medical or personal contexts. For instance, when describing a headache, an injury, or a toothache, one might say, it's throbbing. It's important to note that this phrase is generally used in reference to physical sensations, rather than emotional feelings. Example sentences. 1. I hit my toe against the table, and now it's throbbing. 2. She complained of a throbbing headache. 3. After the long walk, my feet were throbbing. Understanding synonyms can help you better grasp the concept. Some similar expressions include pulsating pain, beating sensation, pounding feeling. These phrases can often be used interchangeably with it's throbbing, depending on the context. I hope this video has helped clarify the meaning and use of it's throbbing. Remember, it's a phrase that vividly describes a particular type of physical sensation, especially pain. Use it to express a rhythmic, pulsating discomfort. Thanks for watching, and see you in our next English language learning adventure.